Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Asutra, Restore Face Oil, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Anti-aging, for dry skin. All organic ingredients, non-toxic, not tested on animals, animal test-free, vegan, paraben-free, organic rosehip oil, organic pomegranate seed oil, organic geranium oil. Helps smooth and protect skin. Suggested use. Cleanse, then apply serums and allow serums to absorb for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently massage a few drops of oil into face and neck, allow oil to absorb for 5 minutes before applying sunscreen and makeup. Can be used day and night. Other ingredients: rosehip seed oil, camellia seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, geranium essential oil, lavender essential oil, rosemary antioxidant extract. Organic. Warnings. Caution: use only as directed. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. Keep out of reach of children. Stop use if irritation occurs. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.